G'day and welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron. Today I'm changing out the rear sway bar links on the Mazda CX7. Tools for the job: 5mm Allen key, a 14mm spanner and a bit of lube. Also, make it a bit easier, 14mm socket and ratchet. The parts I'm using, it's just a Pedders aftermarket kit. I'll put the part numbers in the description if you wish to go with that option. What I'll start by doing is spraying a bit of lube just on the threads of the sway bar link. So that's your sway bar link there. Then lubing up the threads for your sway bar bush. Now with your 14mm spanner, I've got the offset spanner here. Just put it on the nut, just see if you can crack it initially. Now with that initially cracked, what I'll do is I'll put the 5mm Allen key into the end here. I'll do a close up for you so you can see what I'm talking about. And if it's spinning on you, just keep it rotating until it locks up on the lower section of the suspension. Then just move your spanner and continue to undo the retaining nut. So hopefully you can see where I'm talking about. Locating the Allen key into the end of the ball joint there. And as you go around, just get the Allen key to lock up on the suspension. Oh, undone for me anyway. But hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. With both those retaining nuts off, you'll be able to just pull your sway bar link out. So this is the reason why we're changing. A bit clunky in the back end. Split open. So just moving on to the sway bar bush. 14mm again. Under those. With both those nuts removed, you'll be able to just bring your sway bar link back, pop that bracket off. Now in this bush, there'll be a split, and then you'll be able to pop it off. With the kit I'm fitting, there is a left and a right hand sway bar. And you can see the difference in size with the aftermarket one. It's slightly bigger. But to do these up, you'll need a 14mm spanner and a 15mm socket or spanner. Giving the sway bar a bit of a wipe over with a rag and the mounting surface. Then just smear a bit of this installing lube onto the sway bar link. Grabbing the new bush, applying a bit of lube to the inside of that as well. And you'll find this has got a split in it, so that way you can slide it over as well. With that installed, lift it up into position and fit the new bracket. Reinstall the retaining nuts. And then we'll tighten them up. Now I found to get the sway bar link into place, I just fit it into the sway bar link and just bent the ball joint down. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about there. Then to get it up into there, I've rotated it back so I can push it up. You'll find there's an opening up the back here, so it'll push up into there. Then I'd spin it around 180. So what you just seen was I was putting the 14mm end of the spanner onto the sway bar link ball joint there, and the 15mm socket to do the nut up. So dirty thumbs up. Hope this video helps you out. It's pretty much the same procedure on the other side as well. If there's any other tips we can give others, throw it in the comments. Otherwise, yeah, take it easy.